Hey guys, Harry from Blue Croc Rubbish Removal. Today we're going to be showing you some places to avoid putting your croc bag in white. Let's go have a look. As you can see here, this is a perfect example of where not to put your croc bag. When placing your bag, you need to ensure there is a 5 metre clear access from the top of our truck. That's around 8 metres from the ground up. This will ensure optimum safety for both your home or site and our drivers. Just make sure you do not put the bag behind large objects, for example behind a parked car or large trees. Our truck needs to have clear reach to the bag to ensure we don't damage your personal property. Just a reminder, do not overfill or exceed the weight of 600 kilos. If the bag's overweight, we may not be able to collect your bag. As you can see here guys, our truck driver unfortunately has not been able to collect the bag. Due to the overhanging trees and power lines, this bag would not be an ideal collection. If you have any questions about your collection, just give one of our friendly staff a call on 1300 718192 and we'll be sure to help you out. Thanks guys.